Nestled in the northern region of Telangana, India, lies a town called Kagaznagar. This quaint town, often overlooked by travelers, holds a charm that is both unique and captivating. It is a place where the modern world seems to pause, allowing you to step back in time and experience the simplicity and beauty of rural life. It is a place where time seems to move a little slower. The hustle and bustle of city life feels like a distant memory here, replaced by the gentle rhythm of nature and the warm, welcoming smiles of the locals. Here, nature whispers secrets in the rustling leaves and the gentle flow of rivers. The air is filled with the soothing sounds of nature, creating a symphony that calms the mind and rejuvenates the soul. Kagaznagar is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its untouched beauty and serene landscapes offer a perfect escape for those seeking peace and tranquility. It offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here you can unwind and reconnect with nature, far away from the noise and stress of urban living. Come, let us embark on a journey to uncover the charm of this enchanting town. As we explore its scenic paths and picturesque landscapes, we will discover the true essence of Kagaznagar. Kagaznagar is a sensory delight. The vibrant flora and fauna, the lush greenery, and the pristine natural beauty make it a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The air is fresh and carries the scent of wildflowers and damp earth. Every breath you take here feels like a refreshing embrace from nature itself. The silence is broken only by the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves. These gentle sounds create a peaceful ambience that is hard to find elsewhere. The town is surrounded by dense forests, shimmering rivers, and rolling hills. These natural wonders provide a stunning backdrop to the simple yet beautiful life in Kagaznagar. It is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Whether you enjoy hiking through dense forests, canoeing on serene rivers, or simply soaking in the beauty of rolling hills, Kagaznagar has something to offer. Whether you seek solitude amidst nature's embrace, or long for thrilling encounters with wildlife, Kagaznagar has something for everyone. The town's diverse landscapes and rich biodiversity make it an ideal destination for both relaxation and adventure. Join us as we delve deeper into the heart of this captivating town. Together we will uncover the hidden treasures and timeless beauty of Kagaznagar, a place where every moment is a new discovery. Step into a world of verdant wonder as you explore the forests surrounding Kagaznagar. These forests are not just a collection of trees, but a living, breathing ecosystem that has thrived for centuries. Each step you take is a journey through time, where the ancient roots of towering trees tell stories of the past. Towering trees form a lush canopy overhead, creating a natural roof that shelters the forest floor from the harsh sun. This canopy is a vital part of the forest's ecosystem, providing shade and maintaining the delicate balance of temperature and moisture, filtering the sunlight into dappled patterns on the forest floor. These patterns shift and change with the movement of the sun, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow that enchants all who witness it. These forests are a haven for a rich diversity of flora and fauna. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a role in this intricate web of life. The forest floor is carpeted with a variety of plants, each contributing to the overall health of the ecosystem. The air is alive with the calls of exotic birds. Their songs create a symphony that is both soothing and invigorating, a reminder of the vibrant life that thrives in these woods. Their vibrant plumage adds splashes of color to the already vibrant green landscape. These birds are not just beautiful to look at. They play a crucial role in pollination and seed dispersal, helping to maintain the forest's biodiversity. As you venture deeper into the woods, you might chance upon a herd of deer, gracefully leaping through the undergrowth. These gentle creatures are a symbol of the forest's tranquility and are often seen grazing peacefully in the clearings. The forests of Kagaznagar are a testament to the raw beauty of the natural world. Untouched by modern development, they offer a glimpse into a world where nature reigns supreme. The scent of pine needles and moist earth fills your senses as you walk along the forest trails. Each breath you take is a reminder of the purity and freshness of the air, a stark contrast to the polluted environments of urban areas. The silence is broken only by the sound of your own footsteps and the occasional chirping of insects. This serene environment allows you to connect with nature on a deeper level, providing a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. It is an immersive experience that leaves you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The forests around Kagaznagar are not just a place to visit, they are a sanctuary for the soul, a place where you can reconnect with the natural world and find solace in its timeless beauty. A short distance from Kagaznagar lies the renowned Kawal Wildlife Sanctuary. This sprawling sanctuary is a protected haven for a wide array of wildlife. It is here that you can witness nature in its most pristine form. The sanctuary is home to tigers, leopards, sloth bears, and a variety of other mammals. Bird watchers will be in their element, with over 250 species of birds recorded within the sanctuary. A jeep safari through the sanctuary is an exhilarating experience. It allows you to get up close and personal with the wild inhabitants of this protected area. The sanctuary is also home to several ancient temples and historical sites. These ruins add a touch of mystique to the already enchanting atmosphere. A visit to the Kowal Wildlife Sanctuary is an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of the wonders of nature. No journey through Kagaznagar is complete without experiencing the majesty of its rivers. The mighty Godavari River, often referred to as the Ganges of the South, flows close to the town. It is a lifeline for the region, providing sustenance and supporting a delicate ecosystem. The Godavari is joined by several smaller rivers and streams, creating a network of waterways that weave through the landscape. These rivers add to the scenic beauty of Kagaznagar. They also provide opportunities for boating, fishing, and simply relaxing by the water's edge. Imagine yourself sitting on the banks of the Godavari as the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. The gentle lapping of water against the shore creates a soothing melody. It is the perfect way to unwind after a day of exploring the natural wonders of Kagaznagar. Section 5: Hills Alive, Trekking and Outdoor Delights. For adventure enthusiasts, the hilly terrain surrounding Kagaznagar offers a playground of opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned trekker or a beginner looking to explore the great outdoors, these hills have something for everyone. The diverse landscape provides a variety of trails that cater to different skill levels, ensuring that each trek is a unique experience. Trekking trails wind their way through the forests and up the slopes, offering breathtaking views from the summit. As you ascend, the dense canopy of trees gives way to open skies, revealing the stunning vistas that await you at the top. Each step brings you closer to nature, immersing you in the serene beauty of the wilderness. The hills are also ideal for rock climbing, rappelling, and other outdoor activities. These rugged terrains challenge even the most experienced climbers, providing an adrenaline rush like no other. The sense of accomplishment you feel after conquering a difficult climb is unparalleled, making every effort worthwhile. The fresh air and challenging terrain make for an invigorating experience. The crisp, clean air fills your lungs, rejuvenating your spirit as you navigate the trails. The physical exertion combined with the natural beauty around you creates a perfect harmony, making each trek a memorable adventure. It is a chance to push your limits and connect with nature on a deeper level. Each trek is not just a physical journey, but also a spiritual one, allowing you to reflect and find peace amidst the natural surroundings. The sense of achievement you gain from reaching the summit is a testament to your perseverance and determination. Imagine yourself standing atop one of these hills, the wind whipping through your hair as you gaze out at the panoramic vista below. The expansive view stretches out before you, a patchwork of forests, hills, and valleys that seem to go on forever. It's a moment of pure bliss, where you feel truly alive and connected to the world around you. The town of Kagaznagar looks like a miniature painting from this vantage point. The buildings and streets appear tiny and delicate, framed by the vast expanse of nature that surrounds them. It's a perspective that reminds you of the beauty and simplicity of life, far removed from the hustle and bustle of urban living. The forests stretch out as far as the eye can see, a sea of green tinged with the colors of the setting sun. The golden hues of the sunset cast a magical glow over the landscape, creating a scene that is both tranquil and awe-inspiring. It's a sight that stays with you long after you've descended the hills, a reminder of the natural wonders that await those who seek them. It is a moment of pure exhilaration and freedom. Standing on the hilltop, you feel a sense of liberation that comes from being in the great outdoors. The challenges you faced on the way up fade into the background, replaced by a profound sense of accomplishment and joy. This is what trekking in the hills of Kagaznagar is all about, a journey of discovery, adventure, and connection with nature. Section 6: Fields of Gold. Agriculture in Kagaznagar. As you venture beyond the town and into the surrounding countryside, you will witness a different side of Kagaznagar. The land here is fertile, and agriculture plays a vital role in the local economy. Farmers cultivate a variety of crops. These include rice, cotton, maize, and turmeric. The sight of these fields, especially during the harvest season, is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the people of Kagaznagar. The agricultural landscape of Kagaznagar adds to the town's charm. It provides a glimpse into the rural way of life, It is a reminder of the interconnectedness between humans and nature. Section 7. The allure of the outdoors, Kagaznagar Forest Area. The Kagaznagar Forest Area is another jewel in the crown of this nature lover's paradise. This expansive forest is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. It is a great place for hiking, bird watching, and simply immersing oneself in the tranquility of nature. The forest is well maintained. It has clearly marked trails that cater to different fitness levels. Whether you prefer a leisurely stroll amidst the trees or a more challenging hike, you'll find a trail that suits your preference. As you walk through the forest, keep your eyes peeled for the diverse bird life. You might even spot a deer or two darting through the undergrowth. The Kagaznagar Forest Area is a reminder that adventure and tranquility can coexist harmoniously. The Kagaznagar Forest Area is a reminder that adventure and tranquility can coexist harmoniously.